Congratulations! You've completed the first of 4 chapters in the Unsupervised Learning in R course. You've covered much in a short period. As a review, you've learned the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning and about the 2 major goals of unsupervised learning. You have successfully created several kmeans cluster models in R, gained intuition about how the kmeans algorithm works, learned how to use model selection to handle the circumstance where the number of subgroups is not known beforehand, and finally you perform clustering to gain insights on a fun, real-world data set. Coming up in Chapter 2, I'll cover hierarchical clustering, which is a clustering method that is used when the number of clusters is not provided a priori. In Chapter 3, you'll learn about principal components analysis, a method for doing dimensionality reduction. And finally, in Chapter 4, you'll apply everything you learned in the first 3 chapters to a data set covering breast cancer tumor observations. This will reinforce your learning from the earlier chapters and help you apply these skills to your own data sets. See you in the next chapter.